Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're taking a look at the Simple Human 50-liter rectangular kitchen step trash can, the best Simply Human trash can on the market. Whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or just need a durable, stylish trash can, this model is a top choice. Let's dive in and explore what makes it so special. First off, the Simple Human 50-liter trash can is built to last. The strong steel pedal is designed to withstand over 150,000 steps, which means you can use it more than 20 times a day for 20 years without worry. This makes it not only a highly functional addition to your kitchen but a long-term investment that'll serve you well. The unique feature that sets this model apart is the silent close lid. Thanks to Simple Human's patented lid shocks technology, the lid shuts slowly and quietly every time, eliminating that loud bang that you often hear with cheaper trash cans. Whether you're tossing something away or just closing the lid, you'll never have to worry about noise again. Another thoughtful design is the internal hinge. This allows you to place the trash can right up against the wall, saving you valuable space in your kitchen without sacrificing the convenience of a step-on lid. It also stays open for as long as you need it, which is perfect for those longer chores when you don't want to keep pressing the pedal. For added stability, the trash can features a non-skid base with rubber pads that keep it steady, even when you're stepping on the pedal multiple times. Plus, if you need to move it around, the built-in wheels make it easy to transport without a hassle. The fingerprint-proof brushed stainless steel finish is another standout feature. It resists smudges, ensuring your trash can looks clean and polished at all times. And when you're ready to empty it, the Simple Human Code Q liner fits this model perfectly, making sure the liner stays in place without bunching or slipping. If you're looking for a trash can that combines durability, functionality, and sleek design, the Simple Human 50-liter rectangular kitchen step trash can is definitely worth considering. It's a step above the rest in both performance and style. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products for your home.